After struggling with Excel's pile, errors myself and spending countless hours testing different solutions, I finally found multiple methods that actually work, and I will share them with you right now. Many people face this problem when Excel formulas try to put many answers into cells that are already full, or when the formula expects only one answer but gets many. The first way to fix Excel's PL error using a symbol is by using the implicit intersection feature. When you place a sign in front of a formula, you are telling Excel to only expect one value from that formula, even if it could normally produce a list of results. This is super helpful because it stops the formula from trying to spread out into other cells, which is often why the spiral error shows up. It forces the formula to behave like older Excel formulas that only gave one answer. Next, we can adjust the array formula range. Sometimes the formula tries to put too many answers into a space that is too small. By making sure your formula is set up to only give answers that fit the available cells, or by telling it to only give a single answer, you can stop the error. This means checking where your formula gets its information and how much space it needs. Another common reason for the SPL error is overlapping data. Dynamic array formulas need clear space below and to their right to put all their results. If there is any text, number, or even a hidden space in those cells, the formula gets blocked and gives the error. Clearing these blocking cells lets the formula expand freely. Lastly, you can convert your formula to a single cell output. If your formula is accidentally trying to produce an array of results but you only need one final answer, you can wrap it in a function like sum, max, or myN. This forces the formula to calculate just one final number, which then doesn't need to spill into multiple cells. It's a great way to simplify complex formulas and prevent the error.